In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can navigate 1688 app on Google Chrome. Step by step tutorial. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video and make sure you follow the step. You are going to be fine and see how you can actually use 1688 on Google Chrome without any stress. So let's get started. But before we dive deeply into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement coach. If you want me to procure link on 1688 Taobao or on Pinduoduo, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, feel free to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. So with that being said, so let's dive into tutorial and see how to use 1688 on Google Chrome step by step tutorial. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is to make sure you access your Google Chrome right here. I'm going to click on my Google Chrome. Now the next thing you want to do is to make sure you use the search engine right here and type in 1688. Then click on search. So you're going to have a result like the next thing you want to do is to click on the first result right here. Boom. So this is going to open up. There are a bunch of things you can do on 1688 when you are trying to access the 1688 on Google Chrome. One of the great features on 1688 on Google Chrome is that it allows you to automatically translate all the Chinese character you are seeing right here into English language. So for you to do that, what you need to do is to just click on the you're going to see a three dots arrow, whatever icon on the top right here on your phone. Just make sure you click on here, and when I'm clicking on this icon right here, this is going to pop up. Next thing I'm going to do here is to make sure I click on translate right here. So if you click on translate, you can see everything has been drastically translated from Chinese to English language. So I can scroll down and be able to read whatever I want to read, all in English language. So let's start from the bottom right here. Right here has to do with information button, and the next one right here is purchase order, and the last one right here is main. That is that for home page. Okay, so let's go to the top. At the top right here, this is where you you have to find all factory. Okay, and then the next one here is factory express. This has to do with shipping company, and right here you have goods on the lives. This is where you watch live video of any product, and this icon right here you can see login. So this means that this is the icon for login if you want to log in into the 1688 on Google Chrome. Okay, now let's scroll down and see more. The more you scroll down, the more the product load up, and then each time the product is loading up, it automatically show you in English language. So these are the great features about 1688 on Google Chrome. When you access the 1688 on Google Chrome, these are the kind of great features you can be able to see. You can see each time I scroll down, more product is loading up and it show me in English language. Another great features about 1688 on Google Chrome is that it allows you to use type search on the Google Chrome. You can type in whatever product you are looking for and search. Immediately you search, then you can from there shuffle the kind of product you are looking for, translate everything into English language. You are going to be fine. Let's, for instance, I'm interested to know more about this product. What I'm going to do is to click on the product link. This one right here, I'm going to click on the product link. Then it's load up in a new page right here. So what you can do right here also, you can easily come to the top right here, click on this three dots right here, and then when you click on this three dots, this allow you to you're going to see variety options. So right here, what you need to choose right here, you can also choose translate. So I'm going to click on translate. So it automatically convert everything into English language. Then you'll be able to read what is written right here. So right here, this is all sales, and then this one here is for drop shipping. Right here you have add to cart, then you have place order. So these are the things you have from the sales home page. Then you can easily scroll down and read more information. So this seller here, they deliver in less than 72 hours when you place order. And the seller address here, this is their address, and you can scroll down and see what people have to say about their product in the past. This product here, they have about 200 plus review in the past. Okay, so very good, but the number was wrong. These are the kind of people that purchased from this seller in the past. Look at their review, and you can scroll down and see more about the store. So this is when you scroll down, you see more graphic details of the product, just like this, and then you can read more information about the product, just like what you see right here. Everything will be automatically translate to English language for as long as you are accessing the 1688 on your Google Chrome. And you need to make sure that your Google Chrome is the latest version so that you will be able to have access to all these features. So one more thing you can do right here is that you can click on the product link right here. You click on the product link, product picture. So when you click on the product picture, it opens up this page. You can swipe and see more product picture. Let's say you are interested to download any of the product picture right here. What you need to do is to just click and hold down. This is pump up. Then click on save download image right here. So and you are going to be automatically the product picture, the item picture will be downloads, just like what you see, file download. One more thing you can do as far as this 1688 on Google Chrome is concerned. So let's take a look at another product. So let's, for instance, I want this product right here, and we can easily scroll down from this store right here, and we can as well come to the top right here. Now as well come to the top right here and translate to English language. So let me click on that, choose translation. So you can see everything has been automatically translated to English language, so we can read whatever they wrote right here. Now for this particular store right here, they have about 800 review in the past, which give them about 99.5 rating. So you can imagine that this kind of store, they are doing great. Okay, so you can scroll down and then see more information about them. You can see the graphics detail of the product, etc. And then one more thing you can do right here is that this icon here is just for you to access their store. This icon here, you can click on that and then it takes you to their store. So when you get to the supplier store, you'll be able to see more product line about the store, just like what you see right here. And from here, you can choose different type of product from this particular seller. That is how you can also buy from different supplier on 16, how you can buy different product, different color, different sizes from a single supplier. So when you visit their store, you see more products that you can add to cart. So if you are interested in any of the products, what you need to do is to just click on the product link like this. And when you click on the product link, it automatically take you to sales page like this. Then what you need to do right here, come to the top right here, this top right here, and click on that 3 dots. So when you click on that, then choose translation. Then everything converted into English language. You can scroll down and read more information about the product. Then if you want to buy any of the products right here, what you need to do, is to just click on add to cart. So if you click on add to cart, it's blocked up something like this. Then you can easily come to the top right here, also choose translation, and it's going to translate. And from here you can choose any product by size, by color, or what have you, and add to your cart. Once you're done, and then you can from here click on checkout and make your purchase on 1688. And one more thing you can do here is that you can favorite the product with this icon right here. If you click on this icon, it means that you favorite the product. Any product you favorite simply means that you are not ready to purchase for now. Maybe in the future you go back to the product and purchase it, but when you want to purchase the product in the future, you have to go and do that from your profile. So that is the work of a favorite. Then the last icon here is chat box with the supplier. If you want to contact the supplier before you place an order, you need to talk to them on 1688 platform. But this feature is only available to 1688 app. And for you to get a 1688 app, you can see it on the screen right here. Just tap on the app, it open up immediately, and then from there you can be able to chat with supplier and discuss whatever business you have for them before you go ahead and place your order. So these are the things you can do with 1688 on Google Chrome, step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big like, and also if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, consider to subscribe for more tutorial about importation business with 1688, import from China. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, feel free to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.